In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch images in Adobe Express. Whether you're preparing a social post, a web banner, or simply fitting a photo to a specific layout, I'll walk you through the clearest ways to scale and stretch your image without confusion. Start by opening your project in the Express editor and clicking your image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box appear around it. For a quick, intuitive resize, grab one of the corner handles and drag. This scales the image up or down proportionally, keeping the original look intact while making it larger or smaller. It's perfect when you want the same shape, just a different size. As you scale, pay attention to clarity. If the image starts to look soft or pixelated, it's a sign the original file may be too small for the size you're pushing to. If you need precision, use the size panel to enter an exact width and height. With the image still selected, type the dimensions you want. This is ideal when you need to match a template or meet a specific requirement. Entering the same ratio for width and height will scale proportionally. Entering different values will stretch the image to fit the shape you need. This approach gives you control down to the pixel, which is especially helpful for consistent branding or repeated layouts. When you're working with preset sizes, like a square post, a story, or any custom canvas, open the resize options, choose the format you need, and then adjust the image scale slider. This slider controls how your selected image fills the new canvas. Slide it up to enlarge the image so it fills edge to edge, or slide it down to reveal more background space. Watch the edges as you adjust to avoid trimming off important parts of your subject, and reposition the image if needed so key details stay in view. A few practical tips as you work. Moderate scaling usually produces the sharpest results, especially if the source image isn't very large. Keep faces, logos, and text away from the extreme edges so they remain visible across different sizes. Zoom in to check the image after resizing, and make small adjustments rather than big jumps to maintain quality. The nice thing about working in Express is that these changes are non-destructive while you design, so you can experiment without worry. To wrap up, select your image, drag the corners for quick proportional scaling, enter exact width and height in the size panel for precision, and use resize with the image scale slider when switching to preset sizes. That's all you need to stretch images confidently in Adobe Express.